How to redeem Pizza Hut promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Pizza Hut promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Pizza Hut. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get promo code for Pizza Hut. Once you're on this website, just scroll down and check out the offers. Hit towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. You'll get the code for it. Now you can copy the code and click on redeem at Pizza Hut. Once we're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, type in the copied code and click on apply. With that, you're going to get the discount in your order. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Pizza Hut. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Well, that's the wrap for this video. This is how you can easily redeem Pizza Hut promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.